Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen in Slack. So you want to find a person that you actually want to record a video or a screen for and just open up the chat with them. Then at the bottom here, you'll find record your video or record a clip, as you can see here, and just click on that. Now you want to scroll down and choose the screen that you actually want to record. In this case, I'm going to just choose this screen one right here and just simply click and record. It will count down after 3 seconds, as you can see there. Then I'm going to just record my screen, move this, move that, as you can see, right click, left click, and all these things. Then I'm going to stop it. And as you can see, the video is there. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and download the video. But if you want to send it directly to the person as well, you can just simply click on done. You can even set a thumbnail if you so desire. You can even play it back, whatever. Just go ahead and click on done. And as you can see, it is embedded within the chat there. Just simply click on send and you send that video right to the person. And that's it, guys. That's how to record your screen and send a video right in Slack.